I have a little teaser trailer for you because I just got a weekly tasting box. This is a box of Sauvignon Blancs. So if you are a fan of white wine or Sauv Blanc in general, jump on this box while you can. It is available the week of the 23rd. So I thought what might be fun, so let me know if you guys want to see this, is to do some cooking videos with Colin because they include a bunch of recipes, and I especially want to make this green chicken enchiladas. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. And they've got a bunch of different wines that I cannot wait to taste, but I wanted to let you guys know that the box will be available so you can get it now, and then when we do our cooking videos, you can drink the wine with us. Wouldn't that be fun? So anyway, let me know what you guys think, if that is a good plan, if you're down for that. Just an idea, but I thought that I would let you guys know because I know I won't be able to get a proper video up for you in time. So that's my little weekly tasting teaser. I will leave all of the information in the description box, and when we do post videos using these wines and possible recipes, I will leave those links as well. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.